This is Tania, the work from home wife of Atlanta.
And I'm Mahava.
And I'm Hannah.
All right, so us ladies decided to get together to discuss our Sabbath meals for this week. So come along.
So this week for Sabbath, I decided to make my version of the Tik Tok Grinder Sandwich. So it has turkey, cheese, pickles, banana peppers, lettuce, a little mayonnaise, a little olive oil, sub dressing, pepper, everything that you would put on a sandwich, just chopped up in like a salad form. And then I'm gonna put this on some bread. It's gonna be delicious.
All right, guys, so I have been doing this Georgia cracker salad. So I'm going to show you how I made it. Now, I did get this recipe from one of our fancy fabulous friends, Jill, over in Jill's Style. So this is fabulous. Okay, so in here, this is what I did. All right, so I chopped up some green onions, and I chopped up some boiled eggs, about 3 boiled eggs. I got 2 like patches, or how they're all together, the green onions. And I chopped up some tomatoes. So you guys know I like the little small Roma tomatoes. So I used about 5 of those, and I chopped them up, and I took out the little the seeds of the tomatoes. I took those out, just scooped those out, chopped up the tomatoes. So that is it. And then I put in mayonnaise and seasoning. So I used Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. All right, so that's what I put in here. But the cool thing about it is you do this. Get a batch of saltine crackers, and then you crumble it up. Crumble up these crackers, and now the crumbling of these crackers, you want to do it right before you eat it. So everything else can be pre-made, but this you want to do this at the very last minute so you have it as crunchy as possible. All right. So I am putting all of this, crunching it up. Woo! So cool. All right, and then we're just gonna mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. All right. And what you think? Looking good? Looking good,
I don't
girl?
like salads, but I do eat crackers.
You eat plenty of saltine crackers. Yes, you do. All right. So I'm just mixing this all together, and this is going to make a fabulous, I'm talking about a tasty, tasty Sabbath dish. All right.
Do you
So
think
here we
you
go.
can make a cereal salad?
Cereal salad? I don't know. But here we go. We are all set. All right, and then next on the menu is my cucumber salad. All right, so for the cucumber salad, all right, I chopped up, my little chopper that I love. I chopped up 2 avocados into tiny pieces, and onions. I chopped those up, about a half of an onion, a big onion, half of a big onion, and third, because it's cucumbers, right? So I get 2 huge cucumbers, peel the 2 cucumbers, and then chop them up into tiny pieces. So that's the bulk of this. After that, you throw in some celery salt. You also put in you can put in some Italian dressing, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic, and Italian dressing, okay? And you can also add a little bit of lemon juice. So that is cucumber salad. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites, okay? And I forgot to tell you guys, you can also chop up pieces of chicken or like what I chopped up into this was like turkey, like little turkey deli meat. You can add that. So some weeks I add meat, some weeks I don't. But this week I added like little bits of deli turkey in here, okay? All right. And also what I made for Sabbath this week is tuna. Now everyone knows how to make tuna. So I'm not gonna like go into much detail, but I do put sweet relish in my tuna, salt, pepper, little bit of Cajun seasoning, onions, boiled eggs, and the tuna, and the mayonnaise. So that is how I make my Sabbath tuna. And you guys know I have several videos on my unleavened bread. So this week I made pumpkin spiced unleavened bread. All right, so super good. You want a bite, Hannah? This is your favorite.
Yes.
You just take one bite?
Nope.
Okay. You gonna watch your figure? That's fine by me. Anyway, this is the pumpkin unleavened cake. You all can search recipes on the site, on the website, on YouTube channel, all over social media. I have several unleavened cake recipes. So this one, I spiced it up with pumpkin. So that's what I am making for Sabbath this week. Thank you for hanging out with us as we just, showed you guys some Sabbath ideas. So hopefully you guys can take some of these Sabbath ideas and run with them. All right, guys, so if you'd like to work from home, you can go to panacheeat.com. It was fabulous hanging out with you guys today. So I will see you next time. See you in the next video. Bye.